So until now we were discussing preparation of aldehydes and ketones. First part, preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Second part, exclusively preparation of aldehydes. Third part, preparation of benzaldehyde. Under that, very first method, Ettard reaction. It is nothing but oxidation of side chain in the benzene ring. First reaction, Ettard reaction. What is it? Usually, when benzene with the substituent methyl is oxidized using strong oxidizing agents, acidified potassium permanganate like that, this part will become acid. Side chain oxidation of toluene. So here we are going to oxidize side chain. It is the side chain. Here we are going to oxidize. It is the benzene nucleus, it is the side chain. Oxidation using strong oxidizing agents results in the formation of carboxylic acid, benzoic acid. So CCH5CS3 with strong oxidizing agents like acidified potassium permanganate may result in the formation of benzoic acid. We don't need acid. We need only aldehyde. That's what we have discussed even in the very first reaction, oxidation of alcohols. Here also we are not using this. In Ettard reaction, what is happening? When toluene, methyl benzene is toluene, methyl benzene, toluene. When toluene is oxidized using chromyl chloride, CrO2Cl2. Chromyl chloride test you might have studied under salt analysis. In the presence of carbon disulfide, what is happening? It is added here. CCH5, CH. These two hydrogens enter in here with the CrO2Cl2 producing O, Cr, OH, Cl2. We get the chromyl chloride being added here. CrO2Cl2, CrO2Cl2 with that two hydrogen, because it is twice. It is twice. Two such molecules are added. Instead of two hydrogen, two such molecules are added. Not instead of two hydrogen. Those two hydrogens will go over here, it will become a compound, intermediate compound. That intermediate compound on acid hydrolysis, H plus bar H2O, results in the formation of aldehyde, double bond O. CHO, benzaldehyde you will be getting. Of course, CrClO2 may get regenerated. Benzene ring with CHO. Fission takes place like this, two bonds. So H, O, H. The two hydrogen will be added here to give to a Cl, CrOCl, O2Cl like this, likewise. Those we need not bother. That is Ettard reaction, conversion of toluene into benzaldehyde. Same reaction may be carried out using acetic anhydride and chromic oxide. Toluene with acetic anhydride CH3CO twice O in the presence of CrO3. You will be getting acetylated compound, benzene ring CHOO CCS3 twice. An intermediate compound will be formed, which on hydrolysis results in the formation of HOH. He will be getting benzaldehyde and acetic acid. So acetylation using acetic anhydride in the presence of CrO3. This may also result in the formation of benzaldehyde, but it is not a tetrad reaction. This is a tetrad reaction. Chromyl chloride with carbon disulfide. That reaction actually given in our textbook. By this method also we can get benzaldehyde. Just a wording is given. Benzaldehyde when made to react with acetic anhydride and CrO3 may result in the formation of benzaldehyde. Benzol diacetate followed by hydrolysis. Then second reaction, Gattermann-Goch reaction. Second reaction, Gattermann-Goch. Gattermann-Goch reaction. Here also the method involves the formation of benzaldehyde. Therefore, we start with benzene. We start with benzene. It is made to react with carbon monoxide and HCl. When I talk about carbon monoxide and HCl, you should know it just looks like formyl chloride, HC double bond O Cl. Carbon monoxide and HCl. Combination results in the formation of formyl chloride in the presence of aluminum chloride. Results in the formation of, it is formylation, formyl group getting attached with benzene ring. It is similar to Friedel-Crafts reaction. Similar to Friedel-Crafts reaction. In Friedel-Crafts reaction, alkylation, acylation, here of course formylation, formyl group is being added. When that formyl group is added, carbon monoxide HCl becomes formyl chloride. The chlorine get combined with this hydrogen of benzene. Each carbon has hydrogen, one hydrogen get combined with chlorine to become HCl. And therefore, HCl is getting eliminated to give aldehyde. Here, aluminum chloride. Usually, for Friedel-Crafts reaction, we use aluminum chloride. We also use cuprous chloride, CuCl. So, Friedel-Crafts reaction involves acetylation, benzylation, methylation, ethylation. Likewise, here formylation, formyl group is added. How? I explained here, formyl group, when HCl goes off, HCO is added, that results in the formation of benzaldehyde. Alright? So that is about Gattermann-Goch reaction. And final reaction from toluene. It is also a variant of Friedel-Crafts reaction, we can say. First one from toluene, second one from benzene. It is formylation similar to Friedel-Crafts reaction or variant of Friedel-Crafts reaction, we can say. Third reaction is from toluene. Of course, it can be considered as manufacture from toluene. I can say like this: manufacture from toluene. The toluene is first chlorinated in the presence of light. For chlorination to take place in the side chain, we use light. If ferric chloride is used, you will be getting ortho para product. That is electrophilic substitution. Alright. Now, 2 HCl will get removed because 2 molecules of chlorine may get involved, and we get benzol dichloride. Instead of 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorine, CaCl2. It goes like this: CHClCl, benzene ring. Alright. When it is hydrolyzed in the presence of acid, it is hydrolyzed. What is happening? Cleavage occurs like this: HOH. 2 molecules of HCl will go off. resulting in the formation of benzene ring with CHO here. It may take place at 333 Kelvin. Alright. So that is about preparation of benzaldehyde. It is the commercial method of preparation of benzaldehyde. It is the commercial method. Commercial method of preparation. That's why we said manufacture. So with that we end up with preparation of benzaldehyde. Mostly from toluene, two methods, tetrad reaction as well as manufacture. Another one from benzene. Here we started with the chromyl chloride carbon disulfide followed by hydrolysis. This reaction may also occur, but the reaction is not given in the book. Garderman-Goch benzene, carbon chloride and HCl in the presence of aluminum chloride, cuprous chloride. It is similar to Friedel-Crafts reaction. It is and then because formulation reaction occurs. And then manufacture from toluene. Toluene is chlorinated in the presence of light, side chain chlorination, benzal dichloride. Toluene becomes benzal dichloride. Benzyl means CH2Cl, benzal means CH5CHCl2. Hydrolysis results in the formation of benzaldehyde. Thank you.